Hello everyone, welcome back to KalaAura studio. Today we are starting with one of the most important basic of drawing, understanding light and dark tones. We will start shading from lightness to darkness by increasing the pressure on the pencil gradually. So let's begin our journey into the world of shading. The first box will be very light, the second a bit darker, and the last one will be the darkest. Try to make the transaction smooth and even. This exercise will help you to gain control over your pencil pressure. This topic is very helpful for beginners because shading is what makes your drawing look real and three-dimensional. Now that we have understood pencil tones from light to dark, let's move to the next step, applying these tones in a real object. I am going to draw a simple cube. A cube has three-dimensional with three visible sides. First, I draw a basic cube shape with clean and light lines. Now I decide the light source. Let's say the light is coming from the top left. Watch carefully how I apply light pressure to the top and the left, little bit left. The top side of the cube will be the light, the left side will have medium tone, and the right side will be the same. This gives cube a three-dimensional shades. You can also add a shadow on the ground. Practice this slowly and try to maintain a smooth blending between the tones. Once you learn how to shade simples, then you will apply in other shapes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and